new foldable drone is coming, and we just learned almost everything about it. DJI is set to unveil a new consumer drone on January 23, but a leak appears to have already spoiled the announcement. The new drone is purportedly called the Mavic Air, and looks to be a cross between DJI's ultra-compact and foldable Mavic Pro and the even tinier, gesture-controlled Spark. And you wonder why GoPro and others have no choice but to exit the drone market. See also, amid cuts, GoPro is bailing on the drone market. The drone enthusiast site DroneDJ has shared what looks to be most of the juicy details on the Mavic Air. If they turn out true, drone fans could be in for a real treat. According to the leaked details, the drone will have 4 foldable legs like the Mavic Pro. Its overall body, however, looks more like the Spark. Mounted on the front could be a 32-megapixel camera with 3-way gimbal, capable of recording in 4K, putting it on par with the Mavic Pro, but an upgrade from the 1080p video capture on the Spark. Like most of DJI's drones, the so-called Mavic Air will likely be equipped with several obstacle avoidance sensors all over the back, front and bottom. So beautiful #Mavic Air pic.twitter.com/mstfp760, near Ben Yonashine, @near, January 22, 2018. The new drone will also reportedly come with a visual positioning system, VPS, for better flying indoors. VPS, as Google demonstrated at I/O last year, uses machine learning, computer vision, and mapping coordinates to determine where something or someone is indoors. It's essentially the indoor version of GPS. There's nothing on a controller being included. DJI will probably sell a separate bundle with one like it always does. It appears to be controlled entirely with gestures or a phone app. The most impressive feature might be flight time. The Mavic Air can reportedly fly for up to 21 minutes, which is equal to the Mavic Pro. The Spark was heavily criticized for its measly 16-minute flight time. How much this baby is going to cost flyers hasn't been confirmed, but DroneDJ says it could retail for $699. Drone geeks who can't wait for the official announcement can get a preview of the Mavic Air through these blurry images posted on Twitter. More details of the DJI Mavic Air leak out ahead of announcement. #drones #Mavic Air at jglobal.twitter.com/hvfnbzv-7, near Ben Yonashine, @near, January 22, 2018. More Mavic Air #drones #Mavic Air #DJI pic.twitter.com/foo3k6abit, near Ben Yonashine, @near, January 22, 2018. Heck, some guy already got one and did an unboxing. Streets of Hong Kong, whoa. Someone already unboxed the new DJI #Mavic Air drone in Hong Kong. pic.twitter.com/0ihznright, near Ben Yonashine, @near, January 22, 2018. More leaked photos of the Mavic Air can be found on DroneDJ. Mashable will be covering DJI's new drone announcement on January 23. Stay tuned.